Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you on how you can view the Facebook featured photo settings. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now, first things first, you have to make sure that the application that you are using is up to date. You can just go ahead and navigate through the Play Store or App Store, depending on the device that you are using. Right after that, you want to open up Facebook, and inside Facebook, you can just go ahead and click on your profile. And it will take us to our profile right here. To proceed, you want to click on the added button right below your profile. And in here, we will be able to see our profile picture, avatar cover photo, and finally, the highlights or the featured photo. To view the settings of the featured photo, you can just go ahead and click on edit. And from here we will be able to erase, modify or add new photos into our featured photos. So, guys, if this video was been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. And as always, thank you.